But first tonight, an Eastern Shore mom goes back to work and puts her baby in someone else's care. And just 3 days in, her 9-month-old is dead. And his caregiver, Gail Dobson, later convicted of murder.
It's a heartbreaking case. ABC2 investigators exposed it all to us last fall. And today, shocking developments mean that Dobson could soon be out of jail. ABC2 News investigator Josie Sturman's here to explain.
Well, Gail Dobson could be out on bail in a matter of days, walking the streets after spending nearly 4 years in jail. A judge's decision giving her a new trial in the death of Trevor Ulrich. It's a decision his mother says has left her in a state of shock. Kelly Ulrich can never bring back the baby she put in the ground nearly 5 years ago. But last summer, she told us there's been some comfort knowing someone was serving time for his death.
To me, she's a cold-hearted killer.
That convicted killer, though, is now someone Ulrich could see walking free in her small town. Gail Dobson's attorney says the former daycare provider has been granted a new trial thanks to a judge's decision. Dobson was convicted of second-degree murder in 2010 in the death of Trevor Ulrich, a 9-month-old baby she cared for. She's been serving a 20-year sentence ever since. But in February, attorneys argued Gail should get a new trial because the attorney who originally repped her was ineffective.
In a very complex medical issue, presented no expert medical witnesses, despite knowing that there were doctors out there who would have testified counter to the state's theory. And so therefore, by not calling any of those witnesses, the jury only heard one side of the case, and Gail was denied a fair trial.
But now Dobson will get another shot in court, an option Kelly Ulrich says is unbelievable. She learned the news in a phone call yesterday, fearing now she'll have to face Gail Dobson on the street if she's freed from jail.
To me, she's still a monster. She's the woman who abused my son, who repeatedly beat him on the back of the head with something or against something to the point where his brain swelled and he died.
Trevor's mom and I just talked on the phone just about an hour ago. She says her son is the victim here, and a new trial doesn't erase or change that evidence. Gail Dobson has always maintained, though, she did not hurt Trevor Ulrich. Her attorney has filed a motion to have her let out on bail, as she was before her original trial in this case. Flynn Owens says he expects the state will appeal this latest decision. If that moves forward, it will take a while. As a result, Gail's new trial may not happen for a year or even longer. Josie Sturman, ABC2 News.